see what I'm doing. I'm going to use a fine electric 1000 lumen LED flashlight. Let's see. Release knob. Okay. Use cord. Pull down. What does it say? Let's see. Emergency release. If the door manual operation, pull down red emergency release knob. To reconnect, pull emergency release knob away from door entry. So I have to pull it towards the opener part if I want to reconnect it, and if I want to disconnect it, I just pull the thing down. Seems somewhat simple, but not so. To me it seems simple and complicated at the same time. Alright, so I've just released the thing for, I've just released the door, the garage door from the little traveling thing. So I'm going to temporarily put the flashlight down. Then I'm going to turn it back up to, turn the lantern up to full brightness. Now I'm closing it. Right now I'm closing it back up at the approximate speed that it would be closing at. There we go. And then I have to do this up on the stool to reconnect. There we go. Right, so I'm gonna put the stool right underneath like the opener, then which will allow me to pull the knob from there. So I'm going to try this again. There we go. Now the garage door is almost completely open. Now let's see if I can try and close it back up. Now my hands are going to be completely black after this. So some parts of my hands are going to be completely black after this. There we go. Oh, I can could just jump. Which Jump is a song that was made by a band named Van Halen or something. But yeah. So that is a lantern. So those are lanterns, 2 lanterns, and a garage door. See if But yeah. So if you do have any questions, be sure to put. So if you have any, so if you actually like this long video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think in the comments down below, and don't forget to subscribe. So with that being said, until next time, drive safely.